Hey there, welcome back to iUKaship YouTube channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to run any version of Windows in any iPhone. I'm going to demonstrate with Windows 7, but you can use any version of Windows, so let's get started. So the app that you wanna need is UTM-SE. SE stands for slow addition here. You can use all the default settings and import the ISO of the Windows version that you want to install. For example, I'm selecting Windows 7 and then you can give the size. For example, I'm giving 10 GB. Now you can start the Windows and it will take a few minutes, depends on your device specification. For example, I'm using iPhone 15 that has 6 GB RAM, so it takes like half an hour to install the complete Windows 7 version. Now if you're using an older iPhone, for example iPhone 6 or iPhone 6 Plus, you can use jailbreaking tools and then you can use regular version of UTM to speed up the process. Now let me show you the app in the App Store. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe for more content like this.